In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Adobe account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Creative Cloud on your personal or work computer, knowing how to properly sign out can be helpful for enhancing your online security or simply to switch accounts. Let's dive right in and make sure you can do this with ease and confidence. First, you need to locate and launch the Creative Cloud application on your computer. Now, depending on your operating system, this may vary slightly. If you're on a Windows machine, you might find the Creative Cloud app icon on your desktop or within the Start menu. For Mac users, you'll typically find it in your Applications folder, or it might even be nestled in your dock for easy access. Go ahead and open up the app. Once the application is running, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the app window. What you're searching for is your profile picture or an account icon. This icon is your gateway to all the account-related functions within Creative Cloud, so it's an important one to familiarize yourself with. After clicking on your profile picture or account icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides a selection of account options. What we're primarily interested in today is the Sign Out option. You might need to scroll slightly depending on your settings, but it should be relatively straightforward to find. Go ahead and click on Sign Out. Now, it's possible you'll receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to sign out. This is a standard security measure that helps prevent accidental logouts. It's always a good idea to pause and double-check your choice. If it indeed was your intention to sign out, you simply need to click Sign Out once more to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully signed out of your Adobe account. This is especially useful if you're working on a shared computer, need to sign into a different account, or are just looking to strengthen your security measures by ending the current session. If ever you need to sign back in, the process is just as user-friendly. Simply open Creative Cloud again and enter your credentials when prompted. Navigating these account procedures allows you to maintain control over your Adobe applications and data access efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more of our content for additional insights and step-by-step guides to make your digital experience smoother and more secure. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.